This 2023 Grand Design Reflection 150 Series 298BH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This new Grand Design is 34 feet 9 inches in length and features one slide-out, a River Rock interior, sleeps 9, auxiliary battery, oven, air conditioning, awning, spare tire kit, microwave, TV antenna, external shower, refrigerator, skylight, and 56 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Reflection 150 Series 298BH is 8,986 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.